Friends, today we will study about types of PCR and their application. PCR. As we know, PCR is a powerful technique used to amplify a small segment of DNA. Several types of PCR have been developed to suit different research and diagnostic applications. Here's an overview of the main types of PCR and their usage. Okay. Number 1. Standard PCR. It is also known as conventional PCR. This type of PCR is used to amplify a specific DNA sequence for various research purposes, such as cloning, sequencing, or detection of mutation. Use of standard or conventional PCR. It is used for gene expression studies, DNA fingerprinting studies, and in disease diagnostics. Now, number 2 is quantitative PCR, qPCR or real-time PCR. Quantitative PCR. This PCR allows quantification of DNA or RNA in real time during the amplification process. It means it measures the amount of DNA produced at each cycle. Use it is used in gene expression analysis, viral load quantification, quantifying bacterial or fungal infections. Now, number third is reverse transcriptase PCR. RT-PCR. It is also known as reverse transcription PCR. This type of PCR is used to convert RNA into complementary DNA, cDNA, before amplifying it. This is crucial for studying gene expression of messenger RNA based viruses or measuring mRNA level. Use messenger RNA expression analysis, virus detection, example COVID-19, studying non-coding RNA. Now number 4 is digital PCR. It is a more sensitive and precise method for quantifying nucleic acid based on partitioning the sample into many small reactions. It provides an absolute count of DNA molecule without need for a standard code. Use of digital PCR. Rare mutation detection, copy number variation studies, cancer mutation monitoring. Now, multiplex PCR. Multiplex PCR simultaneously amplifies simultaneously amplifies multiple target DNA sequencing in a single reaction by using multiple primer set. This can save time and reagent use. For pathogen detection, example testing of multiple pathogens at once, genetic testing, screening for multiple mutation, and forensic analysis. Number 6, touchdown PCR. It is a modified touchdown PCR is a modified PCR technique where the annealing temperature is gradually decreased over several cycles to improve the specificity of the amplification. Use amplifying sequence with high amplifying sequences with high sequence diversity or ensuring high specificity when working with complex DNA sample. Nested PCR. Nested PCR. It involves two sets of primer in two successive amplification steps. The second set of primer binds inside the region amplified by the first set to increase specificity and sensitivity. Uses detecting low abundance target pathogen detection in clinical diagnostic. Now hot start PCR uses modified DNA polymerase that is inactive at lower temperature, reducing non-specific amplification during the initial step PCR. Use improving the specificity of PCR in complex or contaminated sample. Now, in situ PCR. PCR performed directly on tissue sections or cells, allowing researchers to detect a specific DNA or RNA sequence in their natural location. Use studying gene expression within tissue, detecting present clinical sample. Now, lastly, we will study about asymmetric PCR. One of the primer is used in excess to amplify a single strand of target DNA, resulting in greater yield of one strand. This is useful when the goal is to generate single-stranded DNA. Use generation of probes for hybridization, single-stranded cDNA production for sequencing. Each type of PCR offers unique advantage depending on the application, whether it's for high throughput quantification, detection of rare variation, or studying gene expressions. So let us summarize quickly. The main types of PCR are standard PCR, quantitative PCR, quantitative PCR, quantitative PCR, also known as real-time PCR. Number 3 is reverse transcriptase PCR, reverse transcription PCR, RT-PCR. Number 4 is digital PCR, dPCR. Number 5 is multiplex PCR. Number 6 touchdown PCR. Number 7 nested PCR. Number 8 hot start. Number 8 hot start PCR. And number 9 is in situ PCR, and number 10 asymmetric PCR. So these are the important types of PCR and their uses. Thank you. See you in next video.